This 2022 Newmar Kountry Star 3717 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 37 feet 10 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Ashbury Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, Sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, external shower, smoke detector, TV antenna, awning, slide-out, leveling jacks, water heater, air conditioning, LP detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar Kountry Star 3717 is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.